Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christina. Please subscribe, like, do all the things. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year to you all. It's now time to take the decks down, which I'm really sad about, but we're in 2024 now, so it's time to spruce up the house and make it all clean and fresh. As you can see, I've started off by taking down the hallway tree, and then I've moved on to the living room to start taking down all the decks in there, which is where the majority of them are. My strategy for the living room was ornaments first and then tackle the real tree. Not gonna lie, I was avoiding taking this down for the longest time because I love the smell of it so much, but it is dead now, so bye bye. Once the tree was down, I didn't film hoovering up all the needles, but it was time to tackle the living room and tidy stuff away, and then I went round with the disinfectant Flora to spray all the surfaces. To clean the windows, I then use this Power Force window and glass cleaner and just use a normal cloth to wipe them down. I then put out my new candles from the Mr. Men. How cute are they? I got them for Christmas. I then hoovered the living room again. Good job I did, because I still found more Christmas tree needles and ended up having to take off all the sofa cushions to get all the needles that have fallen down there. How do they get there? I don't know. I will probably be seeing Christmas tree needles for weeks. Anyone else? I then went around the living room with my floor mop just to wash the floor. This is the Flash floor mop. I'll link it below if I can find it. It's really handy because it just uses a wipe, so you can get all the dirt off your wooden floors quite easily without using excess water, and it dries super quick, so it's great for the winter. Then that was the living room finally done. Lovely and clean, and Remy thought she'd say hello. Moving on to the bedroom, first things first was removing the Christmas bedding and putting new bedding on. I then started wiping down the surfaces with Sephora, and I did try this on the mirror but it didn't really work, so I moved on to the window and glass cleaner for the mirrors, and it made such a difference. Once it was all nice and clean, to finish off, I just put on my neon diffuser, which makes the room smell absolutely amazing. Moving on to our spare room. To be honest, this room is always going to be slightly messy and never as clean as we want, because this is where we work and Charlie has his equipment in here. But I started off by wiping down the desks and the windowsill before giving it a good old hoover, and that's pretty much all I can do with this room, unfortunately. If anyone has any tips, please leave them in the comments below to how we can make this room a lot more tidy. Moving on to the kitchen, I literally just wiped down the sides with Sephora. Then I put any dirty dishes in the dishwasher and any clean dishes away to make the sides a lot more clean. Then I moved on to hoovering, which was quite easy because it's quite a small kitchen. And then that was the kitchen done for now. This is normally Charlie's area of expertise to clean, so there wasn't much to really clean in here. Lastly, the hallway just needed a hoover, and then that was my extreme clean done. I left out the bathroom just because I could not be bothered after all that. And yeah, that's our cleaning video done. Nala came to say goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully will be next week or potentially Thursday, so please subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you soon. Bye.